Alright, we're getting it started. We're getting it started. Man, I've been trying to reduce my time to start. Just the time it takes for me to begin coding. And like, it's so much harder to start when I'm tired. It's crazy. Hella tired. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bro. Right, we were reading. Bunch of text. Just bunch of text. We were here. Locking in. Let's get it. It's always valuable. What I often do when I'm struggling to lock in, call a friend. Bro, tell me to lock in. It's so much easier to call a friend than to start locking in, but it's so much easier to start locking in when someone's told you, like, bro, you gotta do your shit. You know what I mean? Like, I believe in you, do your stuff, and then you just start, you just get it going. I just get it going. Right, okay, I looked at this implement. Yeah. Did it say? Active learning. What's active learning? Okay. Let's do it. Implementing a launch countdown. Which print out a sample launch countdown to the output box from 10 down to blast off. This is click play. We've provided you with three code lines inside comment that need to be used. It's so crazy, man. My brain is so much slower just because I'm tired. Fuck. Okay. If you start typing the loop, for example, while the browser might get stuck in the infinite loop because you have not yet entered the end condition. So be careful with this. You can start writing your code in a comment to deal with this issue and remove the comment after you wish. Mm-hmm. let's remember the general structure, right? So you had, I'm just gonna type this out here, you had something like I equals 0. Then you had the end condition, which was like I is, so right, when it reaches this, which is when it reaches smaller or equal to 10. I should be smaller or equal to 10. I should just equal 10, right? And then the end, or the what happens every time, which is it goes down from 10. So that would be, nope, right, going down. Add code to loop from 10 down to 0. We provide you with initialization. For each iteration, create a new paragraph and append it to the output div, which we selected using const output equals the selector. Okay. We've provided you with 3 code lines inside the comment that need to be used somewhere inside the loop. Right. Let's look at how these are written. Again. No. It's 4. Right. For let I equal 0. I lower, smaller than cat length, plus. And then I put in the if conditions, right. What exactly? I'm trying to reach again. I want a countdown going down from 10 to 1, to 0. And then at 0 I wanted to say liftoff. This creates a new paragraph. So let's just take the conditions, right? I don't quite know what I'd need that for, but I'm thinking let's just get it started, right? I don't know why they have this here. And it's not, this isn't true, right? This goes, let's look at, oh, do they want me to use, okay, maybe it's easier that way. It's also good to just practice it. I think I'm going to be practicing the standard variation a bunch. Oh, let I equal 10. Let's look at the setup here again. The other one is also like that. Yeah, while is kind of easier in my head. So while I is bigger than 0, right, and then execute Interesting. Console log my favorite cats. Plus equal. Some curious writing. Ah. Okay, so it redefines it, right? So, and it's going through it every time. So here it's equal to whatever and whatever cat. Okay. And what did they say were the things that I have? Let me just copy this. Else, whatever. Okay. If else. And then it's I minus. We can already while. If blah, then do all of that, else blah, then do all of that. Good. And beside that, I minus minus. Is that how you... Okay. Right. So while I guess while I is larger than 1. Yeah, as long as I is larger than 1, do this, right? Which is count down and then give the output. Let me do this here. Just if I is equal to 10, print countdown 10 to the paragraph. Let's look at this. Ah, okay. So this is to put in the number as the text. Creates a new paragraph. No, actually I don't have to create a new paragraph yet. If it equals 10, just what do they use? Not Is that text content? Let's look at this. Else, if, no, let's do, yeah, let's do the last condition for the